In this demo, I'm going to show how easy it is to recover a deleted file using Macrium Reflect. I'll delete a file on purpose and use Reflect to restore just that one file from my backup, and finally show the before and after to prove the recovery worked. So, as you can see, I've got a super important folder here. It's got a photo of my pet right here, and it's got my life insurance policy in it. Anything happens to this folder, I'm going to be in big trouble. So I need to back this up in Macrium Reflect. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to navigate over to where this little backup indicator, tab is, and we're going to go backup files. And now this is where we're going to find the file that we need to back up. So the location of my file is, actually here, it's right here. Perfect. We're gonna go okay. So now that we've had our location set, we're gonna go ahead and select a destination. So it's already set up to go into my spare drive, and that's actually perfect for me. So I'm just gonna keep that as is, but you're gonna want to set that to whatever where you would want your backup to go. Then we're gonna click next, and well, we don't have to do anything here because this is just a one-time file backup for this folder. And we're gonna go next. Make sure this is all good. And then finish. We're not gonna save it as a definition file. And we're gonna tell it to run this backup right now. So it's gonna back this file up for me right now. So the backup process has completed, so now I'm going to close, and we can see the backup was just made here. So it's a couple days later, and I guess my kid got on my computer, and I emptied my recycling bin because I do that as a habit, and I didn't check it, and I can't find my really important file with my life insurance policy in it. So thank God we made that file backup. So now, all we have to do is go into existing backups, file and folder. Here's that backup we made right here. We're going to go restore. We're going to restore it back to its original location. Oops, we have to select the file first. Next, and we're going to go original location. Restore to the same directory as the backed up files. We're going to go finish. There's my life insurance. It's back. And my picture of my beloved pet. We are all good. Thank you for watching my tutorial.